going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat stretching. It's going to be that cool stretching pose. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line out, in, right there, almost like a, I don't know, like lesser than shape, right, in math. Curve over here to the top of the head. And that's going to run into the ear on this side. So let's go here, the ear, down. Curve right here. Go over here on this side, out, down, right there. Right on. Let's go over here and draw the, kind of like the paw right there as it's coming forward. Curve over here, up. Pulling down right here, out over here, down. Let's go over here to the top. So we have his paws right there on the floor. And what we could do right here is, stay with me by the way, we can go over the face, but right now we're going to go line, 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 right there. Those are the paws right there as he's kind of stretching it. Does that kind of make sense so far? Let me know if it doesn't, but yeah, keep that going. Line over here. Go over here, and now starting from the top of his head, and it's going to feel kind of awkward to do that, right? You're trying to start from the top of the head. We're going to draw like a curve shape, all right? Like there. Draw a shape like that. And it's interesting too because it feels so like wrong, like antithetical when we're drawing and we're thinking like, oh, well, you're supposed to draw the body over here on this side, right? But no, we're drawing a very specific pose, so it might feel a little strange initially, but you know what? That's the way you do it. Let's draw a curve over here for kind of the hind leg a little bit. Down right here. Line along the floor. Down right there. So far, so good. All right. Line, line. We'll go here on this side. Line over there. So that's going to be the tail, right? We just kind of like did a wiggly thing over there. You can just draw it straight across. It's kind of up to you how you want to draw it. But just kind of like keep that in mind. Just kind of thinking like where that tail's going to go. It'd be cool to have the flow, directional flow go that way. That would be preferred. But you don't have to have it go that way. You can always have it go the other way. But just something to keep in mind. Curve along here. And now we're going to give this some volume, right? We have the direction, now we're going to give it some volume right there. So volume right here, we're going to draw curve down like so. See? And now we have the tail there. It's like magic, right? Magic. Let's go over here, line out for the ear, down. We have that triangle shape on this side. Stuff like that is kind of more or less the easy part. Up, down, here. Let's go over here on this side with the one eye. Go over here. Another eye. Triangle in the middle for the nose. Curve on one side here for the mouth and curve on the other side. Right on. And let's fill in the eye, but not all the way. We want to have it have a little bit of a highlight right there. Line underneath right here. Maybe get a little bit of some eyebrows to kind of, give it a little bit of personality, obviously. Pull a little line a little bit more here. And we're going to draw 3 dots on its face. 1, 2, 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3 on that side. And then now, excuse me. Sorry about that, I didn't sleep that well. And we're going to go over here, line, 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 line. And we're going to draw the, like we're going to do something that I think is, by the way, always stay positive when you do stuff like this. We're going to draw a thick line around the entire character. And the reason to do that is because you want to make it a little bit, how do you say, I'm going to give it a little bit of razzmatazz, you know, and we're making it look like a large graphic image. So sometimes we do this. Sometimes we throw a large line right around the entire silhouette of a character, because it can be kind of cool. It's just a style thing. It's something that you can create like a little bit of an effect with. That's very easy. You don't have to do this, but I recommend it for certain things. I'd recommend at least trying it for certain things. Absolutely. And yeah, post a comment. My favorite comment, I'll say what's up. No, actually, if you comment, I'll literally I'll reply to every single comment, even if it's not right away. It's but I will comment on literally every single comment that is put up. So go for it, do it, let me know. Continuing to do that. Curve around the corner here. I was gonna say it's kind of hard to draw over that line again, but I'm getting there. And continue on this side. If you have any requests for drawings, let me know in the comments section. I want to hear your ideas. That'll definitely help me out on what else to do. And I'm gonna put some playlists and stuff in the description there for you to check out. Also check out the cool ebook, and there's a lot of stuff to see. So go check all that out when you can. Line over here. Actually, I want to throw a little thicker line even right there on that area. But thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, hit the like, hit the share button, and thanks so much. I will talk to you in the next video. I want you to stay here though, because we're going to go on into another lesson. So let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.